I can see that. Thank you.
Well, you do not know the ways of the Welsh.
I like
I'm
how
sorry.
all I had to do was post that image with no context, and everyone can tell you're making fun of it. That's how you know it's bad. No one unironically posts that image.
You know,
Yeah.
actually, you know what you should do, right?
What?
You should just like say on April Fools, just next year, just add that mesh to the game. And just say, hey, end of the dead.
Oh,
I would actually die if that.
No, don't even animate it. Just have it spin around.
Just happens.
Yeah. No, don't even have it spin. Just have it move.
That's even better.
Make sure the debris cloud is invisible, and make sure it's an ugly ass purple. Alright.
I'm gonna
Now.
make. I'm going to make rain inverted on April Fools. So if you're in a really a place where rain would be really heavy, it would actually be nothing. And if it's a clear sky, it would be a downpour from the heavens.
That would be kind of cool. It'd actually make HP days really fun, I guess. Or just, like,
You'd have to get up close.
Yeah. Let's see.
No. Please no.
When this does.
When the tornado is doing the thing. Yeah. Let's see. Good thing of radar. Good. Okay, that's a pretty good couplet, I guess.
I want to see what that hook on base reflectivity looks like. I'm switching it over.
The base
That's
is
a large
huge.
couplet.
It's
That's
high.
The base is high.
That's actually great. Heist needs to be an official dictionary word.
it looks interesting.
It is a hook.
It's still getting there.
Yeah, it's getting big.
Oh my gosh, oh Reno, Bassfield, oh Reno, we upset.
Oh my god, it's Bassfield. Oh no.
Oh no, guys, I found it.
Yeah, it's starting to become more visible of a hook.
Impotter. It censors impotter? What? Why?
Does it censor imposter?
No, it censored IMPOTTER.
You are peed.
Pot.
It's literally impotter.
No.
Wow.
Stop it.
That is a tiny warning.
That is very that warning is probably about the width of that tornado at max.
Yeah, it was pretty small.
You're going to get people killed.
Me? No,
No,
me.
Lynn.
Good.
No, I'm not.
Your
You are?
warning's
Oh,
terrible.
poor guy.
Shut up.
Do I need to step in there?
No!
I'm supposed to be recording for Johnson, so I don't know if I should, but I have constant radar coverage at least.
When is someone going to do a time lapse of the radar?
that's a
Actually,
good
that
question.
would look good now, so yeah.
How strong is
Start
this?
rec-
Uh-oh. I'm about to die. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, get me out.
Hey,
get me
tornado
out.
is moving southeast.
I'm
I
getting out of
say
here.
that so sarcastically.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyways.
Get out of its way.
Admin form. This person's status is
How big
2019
is this
Stanley
tornado,
Cup champion
John?
St. Louis Blues.
Guys,
Let's
I think we
go.
need to do an emergency for Outroad.
That'll be fine. It's a little wind. Nothing much.
Just a little bit
Just
of
add-
wind.
Anyway.
Because some wind came through town.
Like, imagine, like, I get it, ripped your basement out of the ground, but like, whatever.
I
That's
get
great.
this. I know what you're sorry.
It moved
Oh,
away.
did it seriously shift away from my probe? Super.
Yes. It shifted.
You have got to be shitting me.
I am
Not
shitting
really.
you.
Thank you. Now there are more of me, and I can start to grow the army, become a powerful leader. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm getting like not much.
Yeah, constant wins of EF2.
95, 97, right around there. Actually,
Well, the
103.
Impotter is sus. Well, then the warnings haven't gotten much better, I'll be honest.
The thing is, it's heading towards the edge of the map.
Again?
Yes.
Hey, Lynn,
Oh, it shifted again.
I'm gonna do the next
Oh my
one
God.
to show you what they should look like.
Okay.
You ever played STR?
No.
Good.
Okay.
It's actually a fun game. But, like, why would you play STR when you can just, I don't know.
STR needs these radars in it.
Yeah. You know what STR needs?
STDs.
An active development team that just doesn't randomly every 5 months add an update like, hey, we added Michigan. Well,
know what's better? SCRM.
STR. Oh, that game was painful. I'm going to be honest.
It sucked, I'm gonna be honest.
I want to
It
go. I want the
sucks.
Slenderman.
If now it
design.
has this radar in it.
If it had this radar, and it would have been way
Oh
better.
god, it's
Fully
condensing.
condensed.
Uh-oh. Oh no!
Uh,
It condensed on top of me! No! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
154.
I'm dead! Okay, EO4 definitely. And damage.
156.
I'm getting 167. 177.
I'm not in it.
I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Holy,
I'm
are
a-
you not in it?
Me? I wasn't in it fully. That was just Dominator ones, yeah. You would get rolled.
Oh, that's it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Bam Bam's in a Dominator in this thing.
I am too.
You know what? I ain't no pussy.
No, I'm taking damage. No, I'm about to
I
die.
ain't no pussy. Get back here, Tornado.
No, I'm flipping. No. Get me out of this.
Gaming.
What is happening? Oh god,
yeah,
196. 190. Ah! Jesus. And dead.
148. I just realized. I just now realized I'm going off road. Okay.
And my probe is still getting wins of 190 plus.
I don't think people realize that probes give you money.
188. Up. Yep. We're starting to die. We're starting to die. 190.
199 on my
What?
Come
Dominator
on,
before I
eat
reach
faster. Fuel the obesity epidemic. I'm dead.
it. Feels the obesity epidemic.
Fuels the obesity epidemic. Oh, it's right there. Oh god.
It's
oh
so
god.
big.
Oh
What the
god.
frick?
Oh god. Dom. Go. It is right. Okay, it's moving away from me, I think. I spawned an El Roan. It's still an El Roan, by the way.
It's so big that the
It's
outer
sub-
confines of the rain band are in Red Rock.
What?
The couplets
Or
look
like
so much
whatever.
better.
Yeah, they do. I kind of want to look at the hook.
Yeah,
The thing is so
Yeah.
big that the tendril part of it is outside the mesocyclone. Actually, it's outside the storm entirely. Why is it so big?
Oh, what the? Look at that hook.
Let me see the hook. Oh, that's just slander right there.
What the? Whoa.
How big is this? I actually want to know. That's interesting.
There's a. Hey, stuff will be on CC right now, right? Because it's gotta be hitting.
There's a debris
Oh, it
ball,
just-
so
Okay, well, it just threw a freaking tree to Red Rock.
Hey, yeah, Lenny, you might want to do like a tour E.
Yeah, you may want to tour eat the entirety of Canton and Robloxia at that point.
Maybe.
I don't think it's going.
No, it's too far away from Robloxia right now.
It's not!
Guys, I don't know
No,
about
it
that.
is.
I
not
need to
that
look
far.
how fast it's moving, and I'll issue an.
Okay, that's fast.
Hold on, I'll
It's
issue.
not too far.
I got.
I would issue it now.
This is what you do in this situation.
Okay.
What would that be?
What did you issue, man?
Issuing warnings is so much more trivial now, with the not having Tigora to worry about.
Yeah.
Game just
Well,
crashed?
there goes the National
Super.
Weather Service.
Ah!
Yeah, there it
Yeah,
goes.
going
There
out.
goes the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Robloxia position.
Robloxia is about to get nailed.
Robloxia County and Gleaming County.
I'm scratching my neck like a crack addict.
And Robloxia
How did we
Okay.
get here?
at Central
Well, we let the days go by.
You don't
and
wanna know.
The water hold us
in a severe
down.
thunderstorm capable of
I probably should move too before I get killed.
Yeah, I might want to move.
Oh god. Oh no.
Yeah, I can see super. That's actually heading right for us. That is extremely large. We got the shelter right here.
Oh god. I'm moving. I need to move. I need to move. I need to move.
Wait, we can get first footage of watching the National Weather Service.
It's dying currently.
It's going right now. Yeah.
I like how on radar the storm is not that it's far away, but when you look at it in actuality, it's not
Okay,
that
the
far.
roof's gone off the National Weather Service building.
It has been removed. It's damaging Canton as well.
Outer winds are just now getting to it. It's gonna get swept away very
I don't
soon.
know. You already have.
No, I'm
winds
talking
of
out to the
like
weather. Like the debris ball is just now getting to that. Okay, I need to get inside.
Not even
Suborts are
there.
here. Suborts. Buildings are. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
I will get away from that tornado.
There's a car being
Oh!
thrown in between two buildings endlessly.
I see that.
Ow. Ow. Okay.
Alright, let's
Get
see how
down
fast.
a bit
Let's
more.
see how fast the winds are when it cores it.
Central Standard Time.
Lennon Guerrero, get in the shelter.
Producing a tornado. This is a tornado emergency.
Ow.
Robloxia
That's actually so big. Oh my god. I'm getting out of here. Oh, there goes Robloxia. Oh my god, it just killed someone and threw their freaking wreckage at me. Okay.
Can we look? Can
That
we go back
is
to
not far.
reflect?
It's going. Yep.
velocity,
Poles are
please?
going.
Was that
Reflectivity
300?
looks hot though.
What in the flux?
What is happening? I'm gonna have to evacuate to freaking Red Rock. That is actually retarded. What the frick?